The Kiran Mai report has been shelved inside, has been hidden. Where is that report? What does that report say? Who are the people who are identified in the report for illegal transaction of land and illegally using the money? Who are the people responsible? What are the names? And what action needs to be taken has been pointed out in the report is very important, sir. That needs to be tabled, sir. So the Filmnagar Cooperative Society was formed for allotment of land for film-related facilities. Its functions are spelled on its bylaws 2A, bylaws 5. Defines the eligibility criteria for the members. However, the successive office bearer of this society blatantly violated the bylaws and indulged in countless irregularities, sir. In the year 2012, 12 additional Registrar of Cooperative Society and person in charge of inquiry committee, Dr. Mrs. Kiran Mai, conducted a thorough inquiry and submitted a report to government listing on the numerous irregularities, sir, in this also. So I want to know what are the contents of the report, what are the findings of the report, what actions taken has happened on the recommendation made in the report, sir. Sir, in fact, the inquiries were conducted into the affairs of these societies 4 to 5 times, sir. It is not one, sir. It is not a new issue, sir. Sir, I have books, sir. This in my office. I was just going through that. In this MLA colony, House committee was conducted, an inquiry was conducted, and volumes of irregularities has been mentioned in the report. The question which arises is that, in spite of all those reports still existing in our libraries also, what action has been taken? Why do we just constitute inquiry committees? Why do we just have house committees if we do not have to take action? And it is the responsibility of all the previous government. It is not only that the Filmnagar or Jubilee Hills or Nandagiri or Deccan hospitals or wave stations, sir. Moreover, the most important is about TNGO Cooperative Housing Society also. Telangana NGO Cooperative Housing Society also, sir. There has been mismanagement for more than 100 plots, sir. And if I have to come on record, I might be wrong, but I might be corrected. More than 100 crores of scam is there just in Telangana NGOs Cooperative Society, sir. And if we have to see in this Jubilee Hills, that is also more than 100 crores. Filmnagar, more than 100 crores. Then again, Nandagiri, more than 50 crores. Then again, the MLA colony, there also, more than 100 crores. So if we have to see, this has boiled down to more than 500 crores of scam has happened in all these cooperative housing societies.